Now what we have to do? All we have to do is upload some old school notes. So this is the website that I will share with you today. All kinds of materials are welcome at Studypool. Files written by hand will also be accepted. So you don't need to worry that you have to type all the files. You can just take a picture of your notes and you can upload to Studypool. Even if it's not in English, it is accepted. It can be in any language, in Arabic, Urdu. So we will go into more detail about it later on. Hello and welcome to Be Informed. I'm here to assist you different ways to make money online and how you can make extra money from the comfort of your own home. So if you are new here, please subscribe and follow us in order to be kept up to date and to be able to return back to this channel. I will explain in this video how to get started on Studypool, exactly what they are looking for, and what is the process or how we can monetize our old school papers, and at the end I will show you how the money is paid out and where they can send you payout. So if you are ready, let's start. This is the Studypool website. You only need to visit studypool.com, sell documents to get started. I will just put the link on our description box as well as our pinned comment. This is what you will see. It's a very fresh way to make money on the internet. Now let's see how it works. All you have to do is upload a document as stated here. The document needs to be approved. If a student decides to purchase it, you can earn up to $10 every time a student views your document. So it is not per upload. You get paid per view. When you upload a file, for example, that it was seen by 2 students, as a result, each view has the potential to earn you up to $10. But I would like to mention here that it's not always $10. It all depends on the type and the quality of the document that you are going to post. So it's a win-win situation because you can earn as much as you want. There is no limit. And it's a very much passive income because the only work you have to do is just upload your documents and just then forget about it. Now let's see, top earning employees are shown here. Alan Smith, Parmajaw, Checkmax, if I'm pronouncing their names correctly. So those are just user names and you can see how much they are earning. However, take a look at how much money they have made. Studypool is accessible from anywhere in the world, as I have previously stated. So if you are in any part of the world, it doesn't matter. The following are few examples of documents uploaded here. Let's take a look at them to get a better sense of what's going on. Like this, it's an outline of a class note when your professor is discussing something and you are taking notes. You know what I mean? Or maybe the presentation itself, you can upload it here. These are a few of their most popular documents. That's why I think it's a good idea to keep a copy of your old exam papers on hand, because now you can earn from them. You can put your exam papers in. These are just guides. Let's say they are looking for sample questions. You should be aware that these are only study aids and they are not cheat sheets. Okay, let's move on to the next subject. How do you sign up? It's a very simple process. If you are new here, all you have to do is sign up by clicking here. You can also use your Google, Facebook and LinkedIn in addition to whatever email account you prefer. I will simply use my Google account to log in. Then we will see the terms of services for studypool.com. Just make sure you have read all of it. Then let's click I agree. Our primary dashboard will be here. So you have there all the subjects. Alternatively, you can search by industry such as business, what's in the humanities and what's in the maths, programming, science. Many different subcategories are available here as well, and under that we will see sell documents. So what can we post? Old tests and quizzes can be added to this site. Documents dating back to high school and college. Any contribution that you feel can be made, student schoolwork like a review or class note for example. And there they say upload document and earn up to $10 per document viewed. There are also rules and regulations. So your document should be high quality and properly classified. By this it means that you put proper tags and proper title to your document. And your document should have an educational value or has meaningful content. So this is very important, otherwise they will reject your document. A few examples of this are practice quizzes and other forms of testing. If you're taking a picture of your document, make sure that it's a clear picture. Even if it's a handwritten note, it doesn't matter, but the picture should be of high quality. Just be certain that documents you intend to upload are accurate. By accurate, it means that it should not contain any false information. And one more very important point is that it should be original to you, that you shouldn't upload any copyright content. For example, if you copy something from Google and just upload it to studypool.com, they will reject it. It should be your own notes. This is where we will drag and drop our files. The document you see here is mine. You just need to make sure your file is of the same quality as this one, because if it's blurry or difficult to read, it is highly unlikely that it will be approved. Click I understand and confirm. A message will appear that says document uploading in process. Finally, you will see submitted at the top of the page. We will just have to wait and see if it's approved. It might take 48 hours, and once it is approved, it will appear in my uploads. You will also be able to see your earnings on this page. In this area, you will see a message that reads, you received $10 for the sale of a document. You will also be notified via email when someone purchases your document. Now let's talk about what are the procedures for getting cash out of your account. All you have to do is click withdraw money. A minimum of $50 is required to withdraw. After that, they will look into your request and the approval process usually takes 1 business day for withdrawal. Then once it's approved, you will be given access to all of your available funds regardless of how you choose to receive them. By this I mean you have a variety of payment options here. Most likely if you are in GCC, India or Pakistan, they have Payoneer, TransferWire and Western Union, and PayPal is the best option, I think. Just click the one you like best. It will ask for your account details. Just enter it and you will get a notification on your account that they are already processing your withdrawal. So there you have it. It's that simple. Now that we have gone over everything, like what Studypool is, this is a passive income opportunity for those who are willing to put in the time and effort. Notes from your old school work, in particular those who have just graduated from college. I'm sure you still have your study notes, and for mommies who have access to them and saved them, of course, or if you have hidden them under a chest in your attic or in the highest cupboard of your room, just get them down and take a picture of it or upload it to studypool.com and start earning. This link is all you need. I will also include it in the description and comment section so that you can sign up for free. Don't forget to subscribe and like this channel and share it with others also. See you in another video. Take care.